Right guys, so I've got the tripod here. I will probably show you a better clip of it. Oh, if we'll get the tripod back in the right place, so it's in level. So yeah, today we're going to have a punt at the boot. I'll get another video clip actually whilst I'm going through it. Also, hi! Gloves in back pocket, why not? So, what the plan is, because the boot seems to be kind of nicely aligned here. It kind of goes really weird here. It's kind of like it's tucked or something. It's really tight up here. I'm going to get another video clip real quick. So to go through the alignment, it goes really off. So we get to the top, I let it focus in. As we come down here, you can see how off the alignment is as we go around. So we're thinking either one, it's not the right boot for the car, which it kind of seems like it lines up-ish, or two, the alignment's out of whack. So we're gonna have to pop it open, get the shit out of the back of it, and try and have a go at it. I also need to work out where the tips are for this fucking headliner. It feels very wet under here.
It's very wet.
Yeah, so that was small, one or two.
Let's take this out.
So we've got a couple of things we're going to be doing today. Taking out the headliner and trying to realign the boot. So we want to see what is going on before we even think about cleaning it. We've got all this trim that needs doing up.
Yep.
We'll probably get new trim
Take
for
that
it.
off.
Yeah, do you want to, if you can, take that off?
Yeah,
It's like little pops and shit.
Oh no, I'll unscrew it off.
Cool. So I'm just going to be removing a thing. I think this is some of the boot trim. I'm not entirely sure though. Or it's the seat trim. It's one of the two.
Okay.
So as you can see here, got a little bit there as we go through. Ignore that. Got a little bit. Need to get into it. A little bit here.
Extension lead.
Kind of looks not structural, more surface level. So I get a white brush on that.
Lead.
Probably some rust prevention. There's nothing in that corner. That did look a little bit damp. And there's a little bit there as well. Made me think it came in through the engine. We'll take a look for the dash.
Extension lead.
It is pretty grimy behind the dash. So I'll probably pull it.
Only bastard.
Bastard just did a handbrake. Ooh, that's not good. Knee pads. Oh, I needed. Yeah, once we've cleaned some of the crap out of here, it'll be nice, obviously. The headliner is definitely coming down.
Yes.
So that's definitely getting replaced. But the dash, I'm not sure. Take it out, clean it. Let's have a look. Take it out, clean it, or custom.
Just wrecking things whilst I'm doing
So let's know in the comments on that one. But we should take it out, clean it up, maybe wrap it or something, or just completely custom dash. What do you guys think? Bear in mind we have no budget, so if you want to completely custom dash,
it's got to be a flat edge.
then that's the right way to get one built.
No.
But yeah.
Aha, perfect.
Damn it.
That might be
I
better.
bet your account is going to be going off again. If anyone knows, I'm going to post up a picture. I'm going to take the picture now, actually. I'm going to post it up in the video. What am I missing on the right-hand side there? What's missing from that? From the fuel tanks? I think I know it's some sort of controller because there's a little clip and stuff there. But what is missing? If anyone can tell me, that would be great.
Where did I put it there?
Little ratchet screwdriver from Wilco's.
Right, let's plug this in.
No, I needed a fucking drill. So if you're wondering, our mics died not long after me cussing out needing a drill. So a lot of this footage coming up has no audio. So we're just going to dub it with some music. I'll be jumping in with little snippets here and there of what was happening, what was being done. And at this moment in time, I'm struggling to work out how to take out the headliner and to take things off. So I'm stopping every now and then to watch YouTube videos to see how to do it. Quick camera angle change so you can see a bit more of what's going on. OG's cleaning out the back of the boot with the hoover, just getting all the crap out of it, and the extra hinges we had. Now you see at this point, this is where I realised how bad the headliner was and how much crap was actually in it. You can kind of see from this angle, a lot of leaf litter and debris and surprisingly a large amount of mouse poop. There's a better view, and it was basically, we believe, a mice nest. As you'll see later on in the video, or maybe in the next video, me taking out the rear panels to get behind there, as there was just droppings behind all the panels and leaves and acorn casings everywhere. So yeah, it wasn't fun. This got folded up. It's been taken to the tip now. So this is the inside of the car after I pulled out the headliner. We realised that there's a lot of moisture issues. We believe were coming from the headliner, possibly through somewhere, whether it was the boot seal where it wasn't aligned properly or something else that wasn't screwed down. But yeah, you can see how much damage was done to it, and I don't understand how BMW in their ultimate wisdom used cardboard siliconed onto the roof as a suitable idea for sound dampening. Like, what is going on there? So me and OG are just cleaning up the car, me getting rid of the rodent nest leftovers, and OG's just cleaning up the bumpers. I'm trying to get most of the grime off so they're kind of looking a little bit better than, well, a little bit cleaner. We're trying to get it so that the car at some point will look more like a car
instead of a project just sitting there, not being touched. Neighbours, they've been pretty decent. No one's complained yet, but we'll find out. There's something that might happen in the future. I'm not entirely sure, but our neighbours are pretty cool. So they're enjoying the project and watching us get on with it. So you see me in the boot area of the car taking out the interior panels, as I wanted to make sure there was no other places where rodents were chilling, eating, and as you can see, explained to OG that this hacked up the foam inside that panel. So we're gonna have to replace that at some point. Yay. There were some parts where in the actual columns in the back area of the car there's leaf litter. So trying to get it out has been a nightmare. I'm going to have to get some sort of wire brush on a drill and just kind of try and pull out as much as I can and hope for the best. The plus side to pulling out the interior panels as well means it gives us a better chance to work out what we're working with, and also gives us a better chance to kind of try different techniques of wrapping to see what looks best, whether we do fabric or whether we go for like a plasticky vinyl wrap, just so the interior of the car looks wild. OG has a colour scheme already for it, so it's kind of them finding the fabrics, materials, the colour schemes, match the interior. It's going to be different to the outside. The exterior is going to be, well, the exterior is going to look cool. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy, but it's going to stand out. Let's just put it that way. So you're wondering what's going on and why I'm poking the pillar with a screwdriver, the hoover attached to it, well the hoover stuck to it. It's quite literally there's either leaf litter on both sides of both pillars, on both sides of the car that were just packed full with leaves and remnants of acorns or nuts, whatever this rodent was eating. I'm pretty sure it was a mouse or a family of mice. But yeah, so it's been fun. Not. OG's clearing out the hoover that I blocked multiple times during this process due to the amount of leaves just getting clogged up in it. So if anyone's got a shop vac that they're looking to get rid of, reach out, because you know we really do need something, and we're happy to hear any offers. As you can see, I switched sides to try and finish off, or try and start the other side with the leaf litter that was stuck inside the car. You can tell I'm there for a while and I was having not a lot of luck. It's difficult, let's just put it that way. So once I found something I can throw on the drill, I'll try and get it in there and get as much crap out as possible. As you can see, I'm emptying out the Hoover again because I blocked it again. We should have had a counter out for the amount of times I blocked the Hoover, but yeah, it is what it is. It was a challenging day. We only set out to realign the boot, and we ended up taking out the headliner, discovering the horrors of the headliner, and decided to clean the inside of the car and take off some panels just to kind of get behind them and get them cleaned up as well. So at this point I wanted to get the car rolled backwards a little bit just to kind of prevent flat spots on the wheels. I know the tyres are very underinflated. We're doing our best to get a pump to pump them up. We've got a little foot pump, it's taking forever. Hopefully we'll get them so they're actually inflated to the right PSI and we'll be able to kind of move it a little bit easier. So at this point we were finishing up, hacking up everything, getting everything back into the car. So I'm going to hand you over to OG for the outro, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for when we're next uploading. At this moment in time, we don't know what the next video will be, but keep an eye out, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.